Now the rendering is almost finishing. Is at the point of finishing is at the 98%. So this is the way it's going to, you see how it will finish. Its estimated time remaining is now 26 seconds for it to finish at 99%. When it's finished now, I'll play it for you to see how good and nice working in Premiere Pro rendering look like. And as soon as you work in Premiere Pro 2022 and render it, it has finished rendering. Now I'm now going to show you how the work will look like after rendering. And now go to my folder where I've rendered the work. Now I'm now going to play it so that you have look on how it will work. This is the final rendering.
Hi, my name is Mnagement. I want to take you on Revit architecture training.
So you see how nice, and my voice is now sounding well for you. So that's how rendering work look like. So Premiere Pro is a dynamic software that will give you a comprehensive details when rendering. You click when you are rendering. Now what you need to do now is just go to your file for you to export or to render thereabout. Now what you need to do now is to go to export. You click on export. You click on export and click media. Immediately you click on media based on what you are rendering and what you are exporting. So now what you need to do now is you make sure that your file, the file or your training that you are exporting has to be, we have different files. Now you see file format. You see this is the first one is AAC audio. The second one is AIF, and the next one is animated GIF. The other one is Apple ProRes MXF OPI1. Then, but you make sure that what I normally use, and one of the best, is using H264. You click on H264. Then you make sure that your final output is selected. You click on fit. Can you see? It's on fit, and then you click and make sure that the final output is all selected. So what next you are good to go now. You have given it all the settings. This is on video where I am going to export my work now to. So now what you need to now do now is to click on exporting. See, it's encoding my Revit thumbnail, and the estimated time for the export now is almost 37 minutes 52 seconds. Sometimes it's more than that. So that's the way you export your Premiere Pro, export to VLC and other audio and video file format. Then now let's assume you want to render. Let me show you another way for you which you can equally render. What you need to do now is, when you have opened your Premiere Pro is already opened here. So I will now go to file. When you go to file, you choose a project where you want your file to do. You now type the name. After typing the name, I might say God project. So now the now God project is the project. The name of the project now this video is time code. The audio is simple. It's an audio simple samples. So that's what I need to do. Then the capture now is capture format is DV. We have HDV. You can change it equally. So you can capture anyone. You can capture it to HDV. Then you come to your HDR graphics white node. You can leave it there or you change it to any other color. Then what you need to do now is you click OK. Immediately you click OK, it has captured it. So what you need to do now is you need to go back to your file format. You now need to import whatever you're intending to. Okay.